If you have a small living room that always feels cramped or hard to style, here are 20 interior design hacks to help you maximize space and make it look bigger and more beautiful. Watch until the end because we'll show you 3 stunning before and after transformations of a small living room using these exact hacks. Hack number 1. Use large format tiles or planks. Think small tiles make your room look neat? Think again. The more grout lines you see, the more cluttered your floor feels. When you use large format tiles or wide planks, your floor looks seamless and your space feels instantly bigger. It's one of the easiest flooring upgrades that makes your living room look twice the size. Hack number 2. Go diagonal with flooring. Want your room to feel wider without knocking down walls? Rotate your flooring. By laying your tiles or planks diagonally, you trick the eye into seeing more space. It's a powerful visual hack. Your floor seems to stretch farther than it really does. Hack number 3. Install vertical wood slats. Your walls can do more than just hold frames. Install vertical wood slats and you instantly add texture and height to the room. It draws the eyes upward, making your ceiling feel taller even if it's not. And the bonus? It looks like custom designer work. Hack number 4. Use mirrors strategically as accent. You already know mirrors reflect light, but are you using them smartly? Instead of a small decorative mirror, try a full-height one on your accent wall. It bounces light across the room and makes your space feel like it doubled. You're not just decorating, you're expanding. Hack number 5. Try light wood paneling instead of dark. Dark walls can feel stylish, but in a small room, they can also feel suffocating. Instead, go for light wood paneling. It adds warmth and texture without closing the space in. You still get the cozy vibe, but your room stays airy and bright. Hack number 6. Recessed lighting with no visible bulbs. Think your ceiling lights are helping your space? Not always. Exposed bulbs can create glare and visual noise, especially in small living rooms. Recessed lighting hides the source, spreads light softly, and makes your ceiling look clean and uncluttered. Hack number 7. Add cove lighting around the ceiling edge. You want cozy lighting, but here's the trick most people miss. Install cove lighting around the edge of your ceiling. That soft, hidden glow pushes the walls outward visually and lifts the entire room. It's like giving your living room a halo. Hack number 8. Avoid hanging chandeliers. A big chandelier in a small room might seem luxurious, but it often does the opposite. Hanging lights take up vertical space and make ceilings feel lower. Use flush mount or semi-flush lights to keep the space open and clean. Your room will feel taller, lighter, and more modern instantly. Hack number 9. Use a low-profile sofa with thin legs. Your sofa might be stealing your space, and you don't even realize it. Switch to a low-profile sofa with thin or raised legs. Why? It exposes more floor and lets light travel underneath, making your room feel lighter, cleaner, and way more spacious. Hack number 10. Use an L-shaped sofa in corners. Got a dead corner in your living room? Fill it with an L-shaped sofa. It maximizes seating and defines your zone without needing extra furniture or partitions. You get more function, more flow, and no awkward empty corners. Hack number 11. Mix closed and open furniture. Your storage shouldn't all be hidden. Closed cabinets can look bulky and heavy, especially in small rooms. So mix in some open shelving or furniture with glass doors. It gives your room visual breaks and makes everything feel lighter and more breathable. Hack number 12. Use a 2-tier coffee table. Your coffee table can do more than just hold drinks. A 2-tier table gives you extra space for books, trays, or decor without using more floor area. It's perfect for small living rooms where storage is tight. Style on top, stash below, all in one smart piece. Hack number 13. Round coffee tables over rectangular. Corners take up more space than you think. A round coffee table keeps things flowing and makes it easier to move around tight spaces. Plus, it softens the room visually, especially helpful if your other furniture is all straight lines. It's a small shape change with a big impact. Hack number 14. Decor in clusters of 3. Clutter starts with too many random things. Instead, group your decor in sets of 3. It's a design rule that just works. Whether it's candles, books, or small plants, clustering keeps your surfaces neat and balanced. You'll look instantly styled without the chaos. Hack number 15. Layer different textures. Your room feels flat? It's probably missing texture. Combine linen, wood, metal, and glass in your furniture and decor to add depth without needing loud colors. Your eyes stay interested, and your space feels richer and more designed. Hack number 16. Match furniture color with wall for seamlessness. Here's a trick decorators love but rarely tell you. If your furniture is close to the wall, match its color to the wall. Why? It blends in visually, so bulky items disappear, making your space look bigger and cleaner without removing a thing. Hack number 17. Use tall plants to fill vertical dead space. That awkward, empty corner, fill it with a tall indoor plant. It draws the eye up, breaks the monotony, and makes the room feel more alive. You're not just decorating, you're creating height and energy. Hack number 18. Hang art at eye level, not higher. Most people hang art too high, and it throws everything off. Keep your artwork centered at eye level to maintain balance and harmony. It helps your room feel more grounded and intentional. Remember, your art should connect with the furniture, not float away from it. Hack number 19. Use a diptych or triptych instead of one large art. One big artwork can feel overpowering in a small space. Try 2 or 3 panels instead. It breaks up the wall and adds rhythm. You still get impact, but with more movement and less visual weight. It's a clever way to make your wall feel wider without being loud. Hack number 20. Use floating TV consoles. A bulky TV cabinet can eat up your floor space fast. Instead, mount a floating console. It keeps the floor visible and makes your room feel airier. It also helps with cleaning and cord management. The result? A cleaner, more modern living area. Now, here are 3 small living rooms transformed using these exact hacks. Notice how each space feels more open, functional, and beautifully styled without major renovations. If any of these hacks sounded familiar, let us know in the comments. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.